Hi, good morning to one all. In previous lecture, we discussed about electrical discharge machining. In this lecture, we will discuss about wire electric discharge machining. It is an extension process of EDM. Here mainly we are using a tool material as wire compared to EDM process. The remaining all the principle is same. Okay. Coming to wire cut EDM. The wire electric discharge machining process is a variation of EDM and it is commonly known as wire cut EDM or wire cutting. Next, this process is similar to contour cutting with a bond flow as generally conventional machining process. Next, coming to working principle. In this process, thin metallic wire is fed onto the workpiece, which is submerged in a tank of dielectric fluid such as deionized water. Next, the material is removed by a series of discrete discharges between the slow moving wire electrode, which travels along a prescribed path, and the workpiece. Next, here the area where discharge takes place is heated to extremely high temperature so that the surface is melted and removed, as in same case of EDM. Due to the high voltage, the spark is generated between the wire electrode and the workpiece in between the gap. Whenever the dielectric fluid is processed, the ionization will take place. Next, the removed particles are flushed away by the flowing dielectric fluids. It acts as a transfer medium of removed particles. Wire is made of brass, copper or tungsten about 0.25 mm in diameter. Next, it is the schematic diagram of wire cut EDM. It consists of mainly workpiece. It is a workpiece. Next, dielectric supply. It is a dielectric fluid supply. Next, it is the rollers. By using rollers, the wire will move in this way. Like that, the process should be carried. Here, the workpiece can be cut by using this wire by the movement of the wire in desired direction. Next, here it is the slot, that is due to the cutting action of in the workpiece by using the wire is known as slot, that is curve. It is greater than the wire diameter. Next, here the gap between the workpiece and the wire is known as spark gap. Okay, like that, the material, the workpiece should be cut by using the wire cut EDM. It is another isometric view of wire cut EDM. It is the power supply by using pulse generator. Next, here the positive terminal is given to the workpiece and negative terminal is given to the wire. Next, here it consists of two rollers. One is wire supply and one is wire take up wheel. By revolving these rollers, the wire will move from top to bottom. Like that, the wire will move, and it should move it will operate by using the CNC machine. It's computer numerical control. By this, it will move in desired shape. Therefore, the cutting process is carried out by the principle of EDM, electrical discharge, that is in between the gap of electrode and the workpiece. The spark will generate. Due to the spark, the localized area should be heated. Due to this, the material the particles will be removed, that erosion will take place. Next, principal elements used in wire electrical discharge machining, that is CNC. That is, the process is controlled by CNC. Next, power supply provide energy to the spark. Next, mechanical selection, that is work table, work stand, wide drive mechanism, that should all should be come under the mechanical section. Next, tool materials like brass, tungsten, copper. Next, workpiece material like conductive materials and alloys. We can use only conductive materials, electrically conductive materials only we can use as a workpiece. Next, wide diameter should be 0.25 mm and kerf width, it is greater than the wide diameter, that is 0.41 mm. Next, dielectric system. Next, working process. In this process, a thin metallic wire is fed onto the workpiece in the presence of dielectric fluid such as deionized water. Next, the wire which is constantly fed from a spool, it is held between the upper and lower diamond guides. We are using a diamond guides having less wear. Next, the guides are usually CNC controlled. Next, in the wire cut EDM process, the water is commonly used as a dielectric fluid. Next, mechanism of metal removal. Here the metal removal takes place by melting and vaporization. The melting process is done by using the thermal energy. Here the thermal energy created by using the spark developed due to the electricity and electrical energy, and vaporization of erosion material. Like that the material removal will takes place. Next, coming to process parameters, that is voltage, maximum current. Next, the pulse on time. Next, pulse off time. Next, the gap between the workpiece and tool. Next, wire feed rate. Next, rate of flushing. All these process parameters. Next, coming to advantages, that is the machining accurate is higher. Next, as the cutting path is very small, there is a very less removal ratio of material, that is as cutting path is very small, therefore the it should take more time to cut the material. Next, during machining, electrode wire does not touch the workpiece, that is there is no physical cutting force. Next, there is a very little heat impact on the surface of the workpiece. Next, it can be machined small shape holes, small gap or job with complicated shape. Next, coming to advantages, it consumes high level of energy. Next, every cutting requires new stream of wire as due to the continuous discharges. Next, the wire used in wire electric discharge machining become non-consumable and are not recirculated. This is added to the production cost, because here wire used in become non-consumable and are not recirculated. Okay, it is main disadvantages of this process. Next, only able to machine conductive materials, it is one of another major disadvantage. It will only by using this process we can only cut conductive materials. Next, more expensive process than conventional milling or turning. Okay, next, coming to applications. Here the wire cut EDM, the wire EDM is used cutting aluminum, brass, copper, carbides, graphite steels and titanium. Next, for example, for quicker cutting action, that is zinc coated brass wires are used, while for more accurate applications molybdenum wires are used, okay, as the wire material. Next, the process is used in following areas like aerospace, medical, electronics and semiconductor applications. Next, tool and die making industries. Next, for cutting the hard extrusion dies. Next, it making fixtures, gauges and cams. Next, cutting of gears, punches and dies. Next, manufacturing of hard electrodes. These are the applications of wire cut EDM. Next, it is some of the workpieces made by using the wire cut EDM, cut by using the W EDM, wire cut EDM. Observe some of the internals and some of the external shapes can be cut easily and very accurately, and it's very small in size. Next, it is one of the to cut the internal gears. Okay, it is about wire cut EDM. In next lecture we will discuss about uh, electro discharge grinding. It works on the same principle all of electro discharge machining, but in that case we replace the uh, tool with the grinding. Okay, thank you.